Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I want to teach you how to play the very beautiful hymn, Just a Closer Walk with Thee. In my description below, there's a link to Ultimate Guitar Tabs that you can download the lyrics and chord chart to this song and print that out. Follow along as we learn this song together. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not a current subscriber. So let's get started. Just a closer walk with Thee, granted Jesus is my plea. Daily walking close to Thee, let it be, dear Lord, let it be. Okay, the chords used to play this song is G major, D major, D7, G7, C major, and A7. Okay, let's quickly take time to look at how to play each one of these chords. To play G major, you place finger number 1 on string number 5 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on the very top E string on the 3rd fret, and then your little finger, finger number 4 on the 1st string of the 3rd fret, strum all strings. That is G major. To play D major, you place finger number 1 on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, finger number 3 on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, and then strum the bottom 4 strings. D major. Okay, D7, you place finger number 1 on string number 2 of the 1st fret, finger number 2 on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, finger number 3 on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, and then strum the bottom 4 strings. This is D7. Okay, to play G7, you place finger number 1 on string number 1 of the 1st fret, then stretch your 2nd finger to string number 5 of the 2nd fret, and then stretch your 3rd finger to the very top E string here on the 3rd fret. Strum all strings. That is G7. That's generally used when you're transitioning into C. And to play C, you place finger number 1 on string number 2 of the 1st fret, skip a string, place finger number 2 on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, then stretch your 3rd finger to string number 5 of the 3rd fret, and then strum all strings but this top string. C major. And the last chord used is A7. Okay, to play A7, place finger number 2 on string number 4 of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret. So you want to leave the bottom string and this 3rd string open. Okay, and then strum all strings but this top string. That is A7. A7. Okay, this song is written in 4/4 times, so there's 4 beats per measure, and the strumming pattern I'm using is down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay. So on that first down, I'm just kind of hitting the first few strings. Now you can pick out the individual bass notes if you'd like, but I'm trying to keep this simple with just simple down up strumming patterns. Okay, so let's look at the chord progression of the first verse. Okay, I am weak, but Thou art strong. Jesus, keep me from all wrong. I'll be satisfied as long as I walk, dear Lord, close to Thee. Okay, let's play that through one time without me singing. Okay, let's look at the chord progression of the chorus. The good thing about this song is once you've learned the chord progression to the verse, then you've also learned the chord progression to the chorus because they're exactly the same. Okay, so let's sing through the chorus, okay? Just a closer walk with Thee, granted Jesus is my plea, daily walking close to Thee. Let it be, dear Lord, let it be. Okay, now let's look at the third verse, and again it's the same chord progression. When my feeble life is o'er, and time for me will be no more, guide me gently, safely, oh, to Thy kingdom, Lord, to Thy shore. Now let's look at the chorus. Just a closer walk with Thee, granted Jesus is my plea, daily walking close to Thee. Let it be, dear Lord, let it be. Okay, if you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure and give me the thumbs up. I'd appreciate that very much. That lets me know that you're enjoying these tutorials on how to play hymns. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it very much. So thanks for viewing today. Have a great day. God bless you.